Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Vue.js. Today we are going to install the Vue.js 3 in our Ubuntu system. So let's have a look how we are going to install it. So open the terminal. Okay, so first of all, which command we need to run? That is a Vue CLI. We need to install. So I'm going to run this command and adding my password over here. So it is installed globally. Okay. After this, you need to check the Vue version. Okay. New minor changes are available with this one. Let me check with the minus v node version. It's currently 16. Okay. So let me check the node view version, that is 5.06. Okay. So view CLI is installed. We are going to install create a new project here. So I'm going to create a new one. View create demo app. It will ask some of the questions. Okay, so whether you want to view 3 babel and ESLint default. Yeah, we are going to with this default. Okay, so it will going to add all of the things and make your project ready. The project is ready almost. Okay, so we need to go cd demo app, then we have to run this command npm run serve. Okay, to run the project. So this is the thing, npm run serve. So we need to open this url, or whether you want to copy this link and run this one. Okay, so I'm going to run this over here. So you can see that Vue.js we have already installed successfully with the CLI command, right? Okay, so that's it for now. We will continue what we are going with the UI, how we are going to project add some of the components with the help of the UI in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.